we have Lightyear, and we have Lex today with us that is going to tell us about his initiative. Lex, welcome in Monaco.
Great to meet you. Yeah.
My pleasure. So, Lex, tell us about the project of this innovative long-range solar-powered car.
Lightyear 1 is the first long-range solar car. We started the company which builds these solar cars about 3 years ago, and we have a long history in solar car racing. And that's so basically what you do in solar car racing is you cross the continent of Australia using just the sun, and with all the learnings, all the cars we developed for that challenge, we developed a lot of technologies that we're now applying to a real car for the market, and that's the Lightyear 1.
So, tell us about yourself, your background.
Yeah, ever since I think it was 12 that I realized that climate change was such a huge problem, and it's something that with technology, you can do something about it. So ever since, I've been looking for ways how to make an impact, and together with some friends, we actually found a way to do that, and that's by using super efficient technologies. Um, so we develop motors, but also solar cells, and create that in a very beautiful shape into a car. And that's what that's how we can now build a car that is much more efficient than electric cars on the market. And a major advantage of that is that you can rely on two energy sources that you have anywhere on Earth. So you have the sun you have anywhere, and normal domestic outlets you have anywhere. And those two combined make sure that you can drive, with these kind of cars, you can drive anywhere on the planet without needing charging points.
Is there an element of not-for-profit or environmental issues that also you're trying to address with this project?
Yeah, what we realize is that if the business case is good, then there's potential for scale, because then this is a business case you can scale throughout the world without needing subsidies or other sources. So that led us to believe that what is most important, that it's a business case that doesn't need extra money than just money from customers.
This is really the first long-range solar-powered car. You are, of course, innovating, you are creating value, but it's also more difficult because there are no other paths that you can follow. So you become automatically a leader. How do you live this opportunity?
Yeah, what is most important for us is that we put all of our resources and effort and money into technology. So we convert our ideas into concrete things that actually make cars more efficient, and that you need to protect it well, of course, to maintain that value. But above all, you need to be quick. So above all, you need to be super fast in going to the market and scaling. And that's of course where we have investors that help us, but also great partners that make sure that we don't have to do everything. So we just focus on those things that we do well. And for instance, we're not going to build a wind tunnel to verify the aerodynamics, because there's wind tunnels around the world, right? So just to give you an idea of where you make that split, and where we focus most on is the technology itself.
Do you have already a facility where you produce the car, and what would be you think the price range on the market?
Yeah, depending on the country, of course, but so it's 120,000 euros excluding taxes, and we're producing it in the Netherlands. So we have our own assembly facility. It's being set up at the moment, and but a lot of the components are produced elsewhere. Of course, we make sure we do the assembly right, and we make sure that that the quality is high.
So Lex, thank you so much twice, because once for being here and twice for unveiling your project for the first time at VROOM Monaco. Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you, thank you very much.
Thank you.